Okay, trying to get this air cleaner situation figured out. It's been a few days. For some reason, I cannot find my mounting kit for my Evo. I've got my two kits here for Centennial, but I'm missing my Evo kit. Don't know what happened to it. Alright, well anyway, I'm going to see if I can make up a kit. Or go with the stock setup that was in there already. So I've got the nuts, I got the bolts, I got the banjos, I got the tube, and I got the rest of the choke mechanism. There's something missing on this, it's not complete or not put together correctly. And these are washers for spacing, or I can put this up here back on it, which is what this had on there. Like that. So we'll figure this out. So this backing plate will go either up here or down here with a tube. And that one's better. Alright, either way I'm missing parts. Parts and pieces are missing. Okay, so these are the banjos. Looks like we have double O-rings, which obviously we're missing parts of those. There's the other washer. Alright, let's see what we can figure out here. Something happened to the bag full of parts. I don't know where it went to. I either hit it somewhere for myself or grew some leg and disappeared. Alright, let's see what we're going to do here. This setup here takes this. So you got an O-ring on both right here and right here, so it's the inside of that and the inside of this. And you got a washer on top to seal the outside surface, which I'm not sure why you need that. This setup really doesn't work very good on this. I guess it'll fit. I have my doubts about that washer fitting there. When you don't have the washer, it sits in there nice and flat and easy. You have an O-ring seal, so it shouldn't have to need anything else other than that. So I'm thinking that's probably how it's supposed to be. It just goes like that. Boom. And the choke will still work out here like I want to put on it. So I don't have that stupid pull-up one that's right here. We don't need that. Okay, so this will work here if I can find the missing parts. Basically I need to get a couple new O-rings to go on here. These O-rings are really nasty looking. So I need to find something to work on that. Then we should be okay. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do for O-rings. See if I can get these off without bleeding. Okay, that one's off. Need to get this big one off because I need to go find it. It's nice to have a sample of what you need. It makes it a lot easier. Thing is crystallized. It's trying to make me bleed. There we go. Got under it finally. Once you're under, you can walk it off. Very, very beat up. That is not much of a sample, but it's all we got to work with. So I need one of those and one of those. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can find something. I'm not sure about that washer being there. I'm gonna go look in the S&S catalog and see how it's supposed to be. The schematic in there will show you the order of assembly. Be able to see what's going on. So I don't have these separate, so we'll see if I can find some universal stuff to use. Alright, we'll be back.